Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping, with your weekly update. You may be used to hearing my voice here on YouTube with channels like Dermatology Under the Microscope, Mr. Blackhead, and World's Greatest Medical. However, did you know our largest presence is on Facebook? And the address is facebook.com/freakymedical. We'll put a link in the description below. In other news, it's getting to be summer, so make sure you use sunscreen so you don't wind up with peeling skin like this.
Sunburn. Oh my gosh.
For you Dr. Sandra Lee fans, cisbursting.com shared a lost video about Pops. Pops was one of the first Blackhead patients on Dr. Pimple Popper's channel. Check the link below to see this lost video. Also, I'm curious to know from you, what do you think of microscope videos of pimple popping? Leave us a comment with your opinion. And there's also a dermatology doctor called Derm Dr. Clay. Check out one of her removal clips. Stick around for pimple popping tools.